Hey, it's my day off. I got the house to myself. I just had lunch and/or dinner, not sure which. And I'm heading down to DQ to get me a Brownie Batter Blizzard. Got my money, just gotta grab my iPod, and I will be back in a jiff. Dang it, I am ticked! They no longer serve the Brownie Batter Blizzard. I'm eating some sort of chocolate explosion, which is still pretty good. But it can never compare to the Triple B. And so I've put together a memorial. Oh, Brownie Batter Blizzard. Like so many celebrities, you have fallen this year. Maybe you didn't bring us incredible music like Michael Jackson, or brilliant movies like Heath Ledger, or cleaning products like Billy Mays. But you did bring us deliciousness, and for that, I salute you. I'm sorry. I need to be alone. It's not that big of a deal, but I did like the Brownie Batter Blizzard, and now it's gone, so I'm kind of ticked. Well, anyway, I really wanted to put up a video because I haven't been getting as much subscribers as I hoped. I've only got one, and it's someone I know, so it doesn't really count. Sorry, K-Duke. So, please subscribe if you want to see more. I only have 3 videos up, including this one, but I'm expecting to get up more, and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe, so. Oh, and it's not better than the Brownie Batter Blizzard, but you should definitely try this chocolate explosion thing. It's good.